Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I want to give you a little update on my Acura TLX. I'm in my wife's CRV right now, but so I've had my car about 4 years and I finally encountered the first problem, which I think is a good track record, along from the infamous puddle lights that seem to always go out. But this is actual first problem I've had with my TLX, like I said, after 4 years. So I think that's pretty good. So let me go ahead and explain exactly what the issue is. So like I said, it's been a great car for 4 years. Just the puddle lights have been replaced. No joke, so that's actually really good. But my car now, when I have this driver's side window down, so it doesn't matter how much is down, if it's down just a little bit, so like this, or like this, it'll rattle around. You'll hear like a little clanking when you go over bumps, and you can actually hear it if you move the window a little bit. No other window does it, just this driver's front window. And that's usually the only one I open. When I get in my car after work, I'll open that window. I don't really open the other ones too much, unless my kids do, but it's mainly this window. So when I took my car in to get an oil change done, I had them check it out, and they determined that it was loose, and so they ordered a new window regulator for that side. They said it's just, with how many times I probably opened it over 4 years, it just wears down, so it'll put more slop in the window, so it allows the window to move around more. So they diagnosed it really quick, which is always good, because half the issue is when you have a problem with your car, you hear it, you take it in, and a lot of times you'll hear, oh, we can't replicate it, or that's normal, or that kind of nonsense. So they actually only took like 30 minutes to pull the door panel off and then determine that's what it was. So I'm gonna get it replaced in 2 weeks, the window regulator, and they said it should be good as new. So I'll definitely keep you guys posted, make sure that takes care of the issue. But it's been a great car. I mean, if you remember, this car is only a year old, and they had to replace the steering wheel and then the whole steering rack as well. But since they did that, this car drives like it's brand new. But it started developing that issue, I would say 6 to 8 months after owning it. So as far as my Acura goes, it's been a great car. Like I said, 4 years. The only thing I've done to it is the maintenance that it requires, as far as servicing the all-wheel drive system, oil changes, tire rotations, and then they replaced the puddle lights. I would say a year and a half after owning it, they started flickering like everyone's does, and they replaced them, and to date, they've been perfect. They've no issues with them, no flickering, and it's going on 2.5 years now, so I don't know if they revised the part or whatever, but it's been holding strong, so I hope it holds up. It's a nice little feature. So I just wanted to give you guys an update on that, because I know we hear a lot of the negative things about Hondas and Acuras nowadays, or any car really, but I still have faith in them. Like I said, every car manufacturer nowadays has issues, but it's been really solid. I love it. I have thought about getting other cars, but the price point and how great a deal I got on mine, I don't really want to start over again. So I just want to keep you guys updated on that. Let me know in the comment section what you guys feel about your cars. If you've had many issues with them, I'd like to know. But until next time, guys, I appreciate it. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get back to you. I'll catch you guys on the next one.